Good morning, everyone. Very nice this morning. The wind is just nice and the view look it's very beautiful here. Okay, I'm gonna get light fire and then start my morning with the nice coffee. Windy so nice. So peaceful here. I think if you have a house here, you'll be very lucky. Every day you see the nature, sunset, the mountain, big lake. All is the nature around you. So peaceful. I love here. I got that day. Lovely smell. I think when I wait for my coffee cool down, yesterday I saw it's a chair over there is broken, so I gonna go to fix that chair. Yesterday I sit down there, it's a very nice view there and so lovely. So now let's go to fix the chair. On the way my run yesterday. This chair I talk about, so I gonna fix the chair. So it's a 4-piece broken. I gonna rip them up and then replace it another one, but the wood same. Maybe I take to the camp to like a burn for cooking. The last one. Okay, I got the rope and I gonna replace with strong wood than before. think that looks perfect. I got my new knife, very sharp. Big fish over there. My fixing chair is nice and strong. So nice and lovely. And also I have like a good spot to enjoy my coffee morning. Beautiful here. I think I'm gonna go feel a Titanic moment. So it's all work today, so make me very hungry. And also yesterday is the boatman fishing. He passed and he give me like the big fish, so I'm gonna go back to the camp and then do cook my big fish. I love the boys, the classy. Last night a fishing man come to talk to me how you doing, like that. I say I'm good, bye, just camping with beautiful nature, and then he give me the big fish. So I was so thank you to him about the big fish. I'm gonna move this side. Yeah, so I want to say thank you to him for the big fish. So I not do catching any fish, but I have fish to eat. He's so kind, and he been talk to me. He live around here in the village, and then he been fishing all his life. That's why he get the big fish like this. So anyway, thank you to him so much. Look good. Very hungry now. better. Nice and peaceful. Time to eat big fish now. And now the sun gone down already, so I'm gonna get ready for my sleep time. Turn the light out and then put my food like a safe place, and then will become my morning breakfast. Fishing man like a in a good mood over there. I saw him and I heard him like a singing. I think he happy with the farm life here. I do happy too. It's a nature so beautiful and peaceful. Okay, it's a fire off now. Now it's I'm gonna get inside the tent, get ready for bedtime. Fishing man still sinking. I hope he's sinking till I fall asleep. Be like a very long day today. So nice to have like some noise of the music. I can see him over there. It's the sun gone down already, so now it's a time for me to undo hair to get ready for bedtime. Today is a very long day, but I'm very happy to do camping here. The lake big and beautiful, and also the nature noise is very lovely. Bird singing nice. So tonight I'm gonna have very good sleep again, and also it's a fishing man gone quiet now. I think he gone to bed as well. So I hope you all have a good night. I'm gonna have one tonight with the nature sound around me. They're so peaceful. Okay, here's a undone finish. Undo finish. It's very nice and comfy tonight, and I heard motorbike is the farmer finish work for today, so I think they go home. Anyway, my bed is a very nice and lovely sleep with the nature. I'm gonna have another night good sleep here, because here is a very beautiful, the lake big, and also it's the nature around you can relaxing your mind. So now it's a time for me to say good night to you all. I hope you have a good night. Same me. I will see you in the morning time. So nice everyone. See you in the morning time. Bye bye.